One coating to protect all your exterior surfaces. Is that possible? Let's find out. Hero of today, CanCoat, the most versatile coating in the range. We can apply it to paintwork, glass, plastic trim, wheels and even chrome. So let's put it to the test. When applying CanCoats to paint, you can use the sprayer and you have the dedicated towel that comes into the box. Be aware, don't spray close to the car, spray away from the car and make sure you have a good ventilated area with no airflow, because you can have a lot of overspray. Second tip I can give you, don't push the sprayer fully down. Do some small spritzes into the towel before you start applying. You don't have to soak your towel, a little goes a long way. I would recommend this method for first-time users, but mind the overspray. My favorite method of applying it is with a new coating applicator. So I will spray into the suede side, apply it on the paint, flip it, remove with the bald side and give it a final wipe down with my secondary towel. For this method, you can do larger section, but make sure to wipe it off quick and use a circular motion. For people who like the traditional application, you can use the small block and the suede as well. Use in small sections and wipe off immediately. Because CanCoat is a real coating, and as for any type of coating, preparation is very important. So before you start applying it, make sure you have decontaminated chemically, mechanically, and use a fair amount of prep before you start your process. After having it applied to your paintwork, make sure you leave the car for a minimum of 12 hours inside, and then you're ready to roll. Glass. Make sure your preparation on glass is as good as you did on your paintwork. I love to use the new GYEON coating applicator on glass with CanCoat because it's fast and easy. I use the suede side, I turn it to the bald side, remove as much residue and get it into the glass. Take final towel. I'm gonna quickly take the plastic. It doesn't get much easier. Same as on paint, leave the car for a minimum of 12 hours inside before you roll out. All the glass on the side can be used with CanCoat, although don't use it on the front windscreen. We have a dedicated coating for the windscreen. And why can't you use it on the windscreen? Because it could get smeary and this is not good for your visibility. Plastics. Before we apply CanCoat to the surface, make sure it's clean of any oil, debris or dirt. I'm going to use in this case a microfiber applicator and I'm going to spray with the nozzle into it to avoid overspray. You can go over the rubbers. By using this microfiber applicator, we make sure that we have an even application and we don't require a wipe off. Wheels, chrome and any other metal. So regarding wheels, when you want to coat it with CanCoat, make sure you properly clean and decontaminate your wheels. If you want to know how to do it, check it out here. So proper surface, prepped. I use CanCoat and again I will use this microfiber applicator. I will spray it inside my applicator like I did on the plastic trim and I will go over it in every corner piece by piece. I'm going to take a half part of the wheel, take my second towel and give it a wipe down, just to avoid things drying out and being patchy. Then I will do the second part of the wheel. So the wheel is coated, so you see it's a very quick and easy process. We're up to the next one. As you saw, CanCoat is a very versatile and easy to use coating. However, if you are looking for maximum performance and durability, nothing beats a dedicated coating for a specific surface. One more tip about aftercare. CanCoat comes in a 200 ml bottle and is very economical. It comes with 3 spray nozzles and I want to clean them out before I put them back into the box. So how do I go? I'm taking it out, I'm grabbing a sweat cloth and I clean the neck of the bottle to prevent clogging it up with the SiO₂ parts, because CanCoat is a through coating. Yeah, and I put back on my original cap. I'm going to use some hot water and I'm going to spray out the residue of CanCoat. You can take off the cap and clean this out as well with some hot water. So this one is clean, this one is clean. I'm gonna take some compressed air. So I hope you liked this episode with a lot of tips and tricks. I hope you like CanCoat. If you have some comments about it, feel free to write them down below. I'm out, ciao. Besides all this versatility, CanCoat can also be used as a topper on your current coating. Or for those who are applying a coating, use it as a second layer. It will add gloss and boost hydrophobicity. And all of this in this magic bottle.